Update on that and where the rain is approaching for not only Louisville and what our friends and neighbors to the south of us are dealing with at the moment, Mallory.
Right. So the heaviest rain tonight is definitely down to the south. But of course, we're watching that forecast for the ISCO Championship for the rest of the weekend. And I know here you look at the precipitation chances and you're like, oh my gosh, it's going to be a washout Friday and Saturday, a 70% chance for showers and storms. But I will say the setup that we have in place the next few days really is favoring late evening, overnight, and into the morning. So while we could have delays to the start of some of the tee times, of course, and also maybe some intermittent delays during the day with some scattered activity, it will not be a washout. We should still have plenty of dry time on Friday. Saturday, we'll be dodging some scattered showers and storms throughout the course of the day before that wraps up. And then Sunday, the 30% chance is really going to be more so to the south of Louisville. Temperatures stay in the 80s. But as we've seen this week so far, and as we've seen even so far this evening into the early overnight hours, flooding is really our biggest concern. The grounds are extremely saturated. Creeks are already running higher than normal just due to all of the rain we've collected this year and specifically within the last month or so. So we do have that flood watch in effect through Saturday night. Takes us until 2 a.m. on Sunday. And you'll notice here our excessive rainfall outlook. We are in the yellow. That's a level 2 out of 4. Tonight, Friday, I'm going to really continue to go through this Saturday, and then by Sunday, all that pushes down to the south, and you're seeing more of that just marginal risk, level 1 out of 4. By Sunday, Monday continues to push down to the south thanks to a front cutting through the region. Now tonight, we only have one active flash flood warning for our viewing area. This is between Hardinsburg and Brandenburg, so Breckenridge and Meade counties, kind of right on the county line there, including Irvington, and this until 11 p.m. Central Time. Would not be surprised, however, if additional flash flood warnings get issued, because take a look at how heavy this rain is. That's pushed through Litchfield. Just prolific lightning here that's moving into Hart County, southern Hardin County, and eventually areas like Campbellsville, Columbia, and Adair County. Big picture view, the problem here is we have additional redevelopment back here by St. Louis. So even though these storms are diving into Tennessee, with additional development on the backside, we could see more rounds of showers and storms overnight. Now, Louisville, a lot of this heaviest activity is wanting to hover to our south. So we'll watch for any kind of course, localized downpours, but scattered activity takes us through the morning. And then you notice by the afternoon, maybe some spotty showers, maybe a storm here or there, but not nearly as widespread as the overnight and morning activity. And then we do this again tomorrow night. Could be after midnight before we start to see some storms that will take us into Saturday morning. And then as a low lingers in the area, this is when we could have some scattered activity kind of wrap around on the backside Saturday afternoon before we dry out Saturday evening. So keeping weather impact alert for the flood watch, hit or miss showers and storms, basically rounds and clusters of rain over the next 48 hours here. We start to dry out Sunday, much quieter next week as temperatures start to rise back into the lower 90s. Doug.